Hey, do you want to know the #1 way to do affiliate marketing? If so, then you got to check this out. You want to come to a website called Digistore24. You want to register for your free account. You want to head over to our marketplace right here. And then after you hit the marketplace, you can see all these digital products that you can promote, and you can pick which category what you want. And then after you search what you want, then you come down here and you can look and just browse down until you see what you really want, what product that you want to promote. Okay, so for my thing is I'm going to go for this product right here that pays, it says right here, the natural teeth whitener. It pays about $75 commission. So what you want to do, you want to head over to a website called pexels.com, and then once you come to Pexel, you're going to type in whitening teeth, and then we're going to download this one right here, as you can see. Okay, and then you want to head over to Pinterest.com and create a business account, so that way you can promote it that way. So you create your pin, so we're going to create a pin, and then we're going to upload this file. Okay, and that's how you do it. Then once you're done with that, then you want to head back to Digistore24. You want to grab your affiliate link, and then you want to paste it right here, and then boom. Okay, that's how it's gonna look. And then what you want to do next, you want to create your board so you can get to like 1 million people, or however you want. But you always want to make sure you pick a good keyword before anything. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a keyboard. I'm going to create a board. Then once you're done creating your board, now you can hit publish. Okay, and now you get over to thousands and thousands of traffic, free traffic to your affiliate link. All right, so that's how you're gonna do it. Okay, and that's the best way how to get started, especially as a beginner, because most affiliates, marketers that try to do it the wrong way is because they grab their link and then start spamming and not showing value. You're supposed to show value when you start off as affiliate, as a beginner. Okay, now if you want my #1 recommendation of learning how to make $100 to $500 days, then go ahead and comment down below, send me info. All right, peace out, y'all, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok, and I'll follow you back. Thank you, guys.